The universe is filled with mysteries. We have gazed at the stars for millennia. Now, a new frontier emerges on our own planet. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing our world. Imagine a future where machines learn and solve problems. They could analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions. This is the power of AI. AI is not fantasy. It is already here, shaping our lives in countless ways. From healthcare to entertainment, AI is transforming industries and pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity. Let us embark on a journey to understand this transformative technology. We will explore its inner workings, its profound impact on our lives, and the extraordinary possibilities it holds for the future. AI, at its core, is the ability of a computer or machine to mimic human intelligence. It learns from experience, adapts to new information, and performs tasks that typically require human intelligence, like problem-solving and decision-making. How does AI achieve this? The answer lies in algorithms, complex mathematical instructions that enable machines to learn from data. By feeding massive datasets into AI systems, we empower them to identify patterns, make predictions, and even understand human language. One of the most prevalent types of AI is machine learning. This approach allows computers to learn without explicit programming. Imagine a child learning to ride a bike. They fall, they get up, and they try again, gradually improving with each attempt. Machine learning operates similarly, refining its understanding through trial and error. Another important subset of AI is deep learning, which uses artificial neural networks inspired by the human brain. These networks process information in layers, enabling them to handle more complex tasks, such as image recognition and natural language processing. Healthcare stands as one of the most promising frontiers for AI. Imagine a world where diseases are diagnosed earlier and more accurately, where personalized treatment plans are readily available, and where robots assist surgeons with precision never before imagined. This is the potential of AI in medicine. AI is revolutionizing medical imaging. By analyzing X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans, AI algorithms can detect subtle anomalies that might escape the human eye, enabling earlier and more accurate diagnoses. But AI's impact on healthcare extends far beyond diagnostics. AI-powered robots are assisting surgeons in the operating room, performing delicate procedures with incredible accuracy, minimizing invasiveness and improving patient outcomes. Imagine a future where chronic diseases like cancer are detected at their earliest stages, significantly increasing the chances of successful treatment. AI is making this vision a reality. AI algorithms are being trained on vast datasets of medical records, genetic information, and lifestyle factors, allowing them to identify individuals at risk of developing certain diseases. This predictive power enables healthcare providers to intervene early, potentially preventing or mitigating the impact of life-threatening conditions. AI is also personalizing healthcare. By analyzing a patient's medical history, genetic makeup, and lifestyle choices, AI algorithms can tailor treatment plans to individual needs, maximizing effectiveness and minimizing side effects. The integration of AI into healthcare is not about replacing doctors and nurses. It is about empowering them with powerful tools to enhance their decision-making, improve patient care, and ultimately save lives. Section 5: AI on social media, a world of personalized experiences. Social media has become an integral part of our lives, connecting us with friends, family, and the world around us. But behind the seamless scrolling and instant updates lies a powerful force: artificial intelligence. AI is the engine that powers our social media experiences. It determines the content we see, the ads that target us, and even the friends it suggests we connect with. Every time we like a post, share an article, or comment on a friend's update, we are feeding data into the AI algorithms that curate our social media feeds. These algorithms analyze our online behavior, identifying our interests, preferences, and even our political leanings. This personalized approach to content delivery ensures that we are presented with information that is relevant to us, keeping us engaged and coming back for more. Section 6: AI-powered advertising targeting your interests. Have you ever noticed how online ads seem to know exactly what you're interested in? That's AI at work, targeting your interests with laser-like precision. AI algorithms analyze your online activity, tracking the websites you visit, the products you search for, and even the content you engage with on social media. This data is used to create a detailed profile of your interests, preferences, and purchasing habits. Advertisers leverage this information to target you with highly relevant ads, increasing the likelihood that you'll click on them and ultimately make a purchase. This targeted approach not only benefits businesses, but also enhances our online experience by ensuring that the ads we see are relevant to our needs and interests. Section 7. Meta's AI Arsenal Empowering Marketers. Meta, the parent company of Facebook and Instagram, is at the forefront of AI-powered marketing. The company has developed a suite of tools that enable businesses to harness the power of AI to reach their target audience with unprecedented precision. One such tool is Meta's Ads Manager, which allows businesses to create highly targeted ad campaigns based on a wide range of factors, including demographics, interests, behavior, and even lookalike audiences. Another powerful tool is Meta's Pixel, a piece of code that businesses can install on their websites to track user activity. This data is then used to optimize ad campaigns, retarget website visitors, and measure the effectiveness of marketing efforts. Meta's AI tools are not only powerful but also user-friendly, making it easier than ever for businesses of all sizes to leverage the power of AI to achieve their marketing goals. Section 8. YouTube's Dream Screen AI in Content Creation. The creative landscape is also being transformed by AI, with tools and platforms emerging that empower artists, writers, and musicians with new ways to express themselves. One such example is YouTube's Dream Screen. This AI-powered feature allows creators to generate unique and visually stunning backdrops for their videos. By simply inputting a text prompt, users can instantly create custom backgrounds, freeing them from the constraints of physical locations and expensive green screens. Imagine filming a scene set in a futuristic cityscape or a mystical forest, all without ever leaving your home. Dream Screen makes this possible, democratizing content creation and empowering anyone with a story to tell to bring their visions to life. Section 9. The Ethical Considerations of AI. As with any transformative technology, AI is not without its ethical considerations. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it is crucial that we address these concerns thoughtfully and responsibly. One of the most pressing issues is the potential for AI to perpetuate and even amplify existing biases. If AI algorithms are trained on biased data, they can perpetuate and even exacerbate those biases in their decision-making. For example, an AI system used for hiring decisions, if trained on data that reflects historical gender or racial biases in hiring practices, could potentially discriminate against certain groups of applicants. Another concern is the potential for AI to be used for malicious purposes. As AI technology becomes more accessible, it could be used to create deepfakes, spread misinformation, or even develop autonomous weapons systems. It is essential that we establish ethical guidelines and regulations for the development and deployment of AI to mitigate these risks and ensure that this powerful technology is used for good. Section 10. AI and the Future, a World of Possibilities. The future of AI is filled with both promise and uncertainty. As AI continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, it is poised to transform our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. In the realm of healthcare, AI could lead to the eradication of diseases, the development of personalized medicine, and the creation of advanced prosthetics that seamlessly integrate with the human body. Transportation is another area ripe for disruption. Self-driving cars powered by AI could revolutionize our commutes, reduce accidents, and increase accessibility for the elderly and disabled. AI could also play a pivotal role in addressing some of the world's most pressing challenges, such as climate change, poverty, and hunger. By analyzing vast data sets, AI algorithms could identify patterns and solutions that have eluded human experts. Section 11. Conclusion: Embracing the AI revolution. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It is a reality that is shaping our world in profound ways. From healthcare to entertainment, from transportation to education, AI is transforming industries and pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity. As we stand at the cusp of this technological revolution, it is our responsibility to approach AI with both enthusiasm and caution. We must embrace its potential to improve our lives while remaining vigilant about its ethical implications. The future of AI is not predetermined. It is a future that we will shape through the choices we make today. By embracing a spirit of collaboration, innovation, and responsibility, we can harness the power of AI to create a brighter future for all. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the fascinating world of AI, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more interesting videos.